Hello my old school soul food fans, followers. Chef Jeff is back with another video here. Hey, today I'm doing something, matter of fact, as we going through this COVID-19, Corona, whatever you want to call it. You know, people going through different situations and things like that, and I'm blessed. God has blessed me. Food is not a big issue to me, so today I'm doing a big meal for about 10 of my neighbors here. I'm gonna package it up and deliver it to them in the next hour or so. But I'm gonna do some, I was thinking, they say anything I could think of would be a blessing. So I'm gonna do some grilled chicken outside on my grill. I'm gonna do some fettuccine Alfredo. I'm gonna show y'all how to make fresh Alfredo sauce and pasta. I also got some, I did this video before. I also got some buttermilk pies that I did for them. So that's enough to feed 10 people. I made a couple of buttermilk pies because that's really easy to make too. So I got that already done. But I'm gonna share this with y'all how I do the grilled chicken, fettuccine, and Alfredo. So y'all try to bear with me because with this social distancing and stuff like that, I have no cameraman, I have no video editor, and people to kind of get behind me and tell me what's wrong and what I need to move. So I'm doing all of this by myself. I'm trying to keep this old school going by myself until all this is over. So y'all bear with me when I'm moving the camera and stepping off camera. So kind of bear with me because I don't have my group. I usually have 3 people behind the scenes kind of make me look good. So I'm doing it by myself. So I'm doing the best I can. So anyway, when we get started here, I got my pasta pot going here in the back. Heating up. I got water and salted water. Make sure you salt your water very, very good. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn the camera off because I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna put my chicken on the grill. I'm not gonna move the camera in and out the house like that. But this chicken I marinated, it was been marinated about 3 or 4 hours. Only thing I have in here, I have some olive oil. I use my cabinet meat seasoning, what I use all the time. Some lemon pepper, and I use a little Italian dressing, and I'll let that marinate in there. And that's all it is. Italian dressing, lemon pepper, cabinet meat seasoning, and olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you don't have olive oil. So that's what I do, and I just let it marinate 2 or 3 hours. It gives a nice, flavorful, juicy chicken. And the ingredients, I got the recipe on the description of the video. Alfredo sauce I put on there. All it is Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic top. I don't do that because you have to strain it out, and I just don't like the taste of garlic like that. So I use garlic powder. It does what I need to do. Salt and pepper, and I finish with a little chopped parsley. So anyway, I'm gonna go put my chicken on the grill, get it grilling outside, and while that's grilling, I'll be doing the I'll get the Alfredo sauce going together. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my cream heating up because I need to take this cream and I need to reduce it a little. So what I'm gonna do, only thing I'm gonna put right now, I'm gonna pour all this. I'm making a lot of sauce because, as I told you, I'm cooking for 10 people. Normally I wouldn't cook this much sauce, but I'm doing for a lot of pasta, whole pound. So that's what I'm doing. What I'm doing, I want this stuff to come to a boil and reduce like 3/4 of the way down. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the stuff. And if I have to thicken it, sometimes it'll thicken itself to where I want it. But if I don't, I'll add a little cornstarch to it. So we'll see how it goes there. And I'm gonna turn my pasta pot down here. Let that boil there. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna check on my chicken. I'll let y'all go outside. I'm gonna show you my chicken outside, and we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we outside here, and I'm gonna check my chicken. I'm just grilling outside today. I don't want to grill up let's smoke up my kitchen. I could use my stove, but I'm just grilling out here. Get a little bit more better flavor. So, just turned over. So this chicken breast, we don't take long at all to cook. Okay. Got that grill, and I'm going to season with a little salt and pepper here in a second. And that's pretty much it on the grilled chicken. Nothing to it, just grilling chicken breast. It's no big thing. And I'll be back in a second. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, you see my cream is boiling here. One thing about this cream, you really have to watch it, because if you don't, it'll boil over on you. You really have to watch this stuff. You want it to, now when it comes to a boil, I'm going to put it down to a simmer. While it's simmering, I'm going to get my pasta here in, and my pasta pot back up. I'm going to use fettuccine. You know, you can use any pasta you want. You know, fettuccine Alfredo is just kind of traditional, but you can use penne, you can use linguine, you can use spaghetti, any kind you want. Of course, I'm staying traditional here, and I'm going to use the fettuccine. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some garlic powder to this while it's, since it's boiling already. Like I said, you can use, let me take the top off here if you want. Use much or less garlic as you want. I put about 1/4 of a cup. I got the recipe online there, but I actually have measured this stuff. Okay, garlic powder in there. Next thing is the Parmesan cheese, which this is going to help thicken it too. The Parmesan cheese, it's going to actually help thicken it too. If it doesn't get thick enough, like I said, we'll add some roux at the end. I'm not roux, but cornstarch at the end. So we're gonna let that reduce. Put a little salt and pepper in there. I'm gonna let this reduce down, and we will be right back. All right, y'all. You see this starting to thicken. It's been about 10 minutes here starting to thicken. Now when it starts to thicken, I do something else. I add about 1/4 stick of butter in there. And that's going to give it some more flavor and more body to it. You know, can't go wrong with butter, right? Rip out of there on me. Let that butter melt in there. Like I say, this is not a low-calorie sauce. You got butter in there and all that cream, but it's so good. I mean, who doesn't like fettuccine Alfredo? Fettuccine is coming along. My chicken's coming along outside. I've turned the grill off so the chicken is ready. So this don't take long to bring together at all. Like I said, this thick like this don't be, when I reduce enough, by the time this pasta's ready, this sauce will be completely ready. You can see right now how the thickness is on it. A little bit more and it'll be to the consistency I want. But the thing about this sauce, you gotta continuously stir it, because it will burn on you in a minute, because it's cream. Cream will scorch very quickly. And with the garlic powder in there and the Parmesan cheese too, it don't take but a second to walk away from the stove. You got this thing on. It will stick, or it will burn on you. Then you rather sauce is ruined, and cream is not cheap. So anyway, I'll be right back here when the fettuccine gets ready, and we'll pretty much plate this thing up. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. Okay, the sauce is pretty much ready here. I didn't have to add any cornstarch or nothing to it, because it's thickened on its own. Let me show you here. See, that's what you want. That's perfectly thickened. Look at that. That's what you want. You let it reduce down. Takes 10 or 15 minutes. Like I said, you got to constantly watch it. And that's what you want right there in your sauce. Okay, now I'm going to cut this off, cut my pasta off, and I'm going to drain it. And then we put this thing together. Let me drain my pasta off here in the sink. So it's always a quick meal. And another thing, don't buy them Alfredo sauces in the store in the jar. That stuff is absolutely horrible. It is. It has no taste. I mean, some things you buy in the store in the jar is, you know, pretty much, you know, you can deal with it. But that Alfredo sauce in the jar is absolutely horrible. Okay, got my sauce here. I mean, my pasta there. Let that sit right there. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go get my chicken outside, get it ready, and then we're gonna put this thing together. So I'll be right back with the chicken, and I'm gonna put this whole thing together. We'll be right back. Okay, now let's put this thing together, y'all. Got my platter here. Put my chicken over here to the side. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the sauce to the pasta here. I don't know how much it is. I like to, you know, I don't like to dump. This is the only thing I don't like to dump in there. I like to make sure I don't want to put too much sauce, and I don't want to have where it don't have enough sauce. Because of course the pasta will soak up the sauce. Let's see what we got here. There's enough sauce on there. I don't want it too loose, and I don't want it too dry either. There we go. A little bit more. And I'm gonna add a little chopped parsley to this too, to give it some, you know, nice little color, nice little pretty color. Mix that up in there with it. Okay. What I'm gonna do, take this, put it on the platter here. There we go. Go. Buffet style there. There we go. What I can do is put a little bit more sauce on there. And on the top there, so it don't be too dry. While I save on the sauce at the end, so it don't be too dry. Okay. Now, a little bit more chopped parsley. Okay, now we're gonna put the chicken on there. Throw our chicken on here that we grill outside. Put that on there with it. You can slice this, but since I'm sending it to my neighbors, I'm gonna make sure everybody get. I got about 10 pieces of chicken here. Everybody get a piece of chicken in their plate. So we'll do it like this. Like I say, it's so easy to see how quick I put that. Actually, put this meal together. So quick and easy. So easy and quick. Okay. Now I'm going to put some little Parmesan cheese right at the top of this. Got a little bit more Parmesan I'm going to put on top. And to garnish it off. And that'll do it. Put a little bit on the chicken there. And I like a little, since I got the little parsley, we'll put a little bit more on the chicken right there. There we go. That's a meal there, y'all. That is a meal. So I'll be right back in a second. We're going to taste this, and we're going to see how it is, and that'll be it. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, let's taste this here. I know my neighbors don't care. I got to taste it. Make sure it's good here. A little piece of chicken on here. There's a little piece right here. Chicken there is nice. Flavorful. Probably fettuccine here. Wow. Around sauce on there. Look, I see how sauce sets up. Nice and creamy. This is it, y'all. Wow. I'm speechless. Nice and creamy. Chicken's perfectly cooked. That's what you want. So, anyway, give this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Please share, please comment. I gotta plate this up now. I got 10 portions. My neighbor's gonna eat good tonight. But main thing before I close the video, look out for each other during this crisis we're going through. We ain't gonna get through it if we don't get through it together. If you have to take a plate of food or make a pie or cake to somebody elderly or somebody has a lot of kids and just their financial means is not where it used to be, a lot of people losing their jobs, just reach out. That's the way we are. That's what I do. That what God, when I reach out to others, God blessed me 10 times from when I helped somebody one time. I'm a living witness to that. I want for nothing. So anyway, it's just a little advice for people out there. Anyway, Please share, comment. Please give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.